Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find tutorials on the Storybook Creator My Little Pony application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, go to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the screen, and you can find fourth option, the parents page, how to use narration and the credits. Click to the second button, the how to use, and you can find the tutorial how to use the application and how to acting a class. You can find the movement, the size and turning, and the vocal section. You can find little explain the friendship stories, the create a story section, save stories, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.